Hello everyone, myself Ms. Neha Zakorkar, working as assistant professor and in Sweri College of Pharmacy, Pandharpur. This presentation will make under the guidance of Dr. Amit Gangwal sir. Then in this presentation, we will focus on a framing of question paper by AICT Revised Examination Reform Policies. In this presentation, we will focus on the various Bloom's level used for the framing the question paper, various verbs used according to the new Bloom's level, various modern question paper using the CAPI format, and various example used while the setting the question paper. Then in this presentation, I will show you the format of the question paper, which will be considered as a model format for the question paper. Here we will mention some of the college details, examination, name, date, logos. Then what is the additional we will necessary for the NBA purpose or under the AICT revised policy. Here we will mention the various CO, or for example in this question paper or this sessional we will kept only unit first. Then what we have to write for the unit first, for the pharmacology second subject, here we will keep the one unit, hence we will apply only one CO for that whole session. For the first CO is describe the pharmacology of the drugs acting on the respiratory system and the gastrointestinal system. Means this whole syllabus or question paper will be based on this unit only, that is the unit number first. Then what is the next where we will focus on? Then here what we will write, the question paper, means for the question. What is the question? Explain the role of adrenergic bronchodilator in management of asthma. As you know, this question is from the unit number first, or as when it will map with the CO first, because this question is based on the asthma, that is the respiratory system. Then what is the Bloom's level? Select the cognitive level for the question accordingly and write the Bloom's level for that particular question. How to select the Bloom's level? This I will explain in a previous presentation. Then explain the role of adrenergic bronchodilator in the management of asthma. Here we will use the Bloom's level explain, and the cognitive domain used for the above situation is applying. Means this word explain is from the cognitive level 3, and what is the cognitive level 3 is explaining the word applying. Means here we have to write the applying verb. Then what is the next is write the number of CO to the particular question is mapping. Example, our question is explain the role of adrenergic bronchodilator in management of asthma. Hence this question will map the CO number first, hence we have to write the first or particular code of that particular CO. Then what is our next is PI code. What is the PI code? The PI code is nothing but, as I mentioned in my previous presentation, what is the PI, how that PI is mapping with the particular CO. Here our question is explain the role of adrenergic bronchodilator in management of asthma. This question will map with the PI of PO first. What is the PO first is pharmacy knowledge. In that this question will map the PI number second. Hence we have to write the PO first and amongst that PI second. Hence we have to write the 1.2. Next is PI. What is the PI second? From the PO first, applying various techniques to plan the solution to solve the various field. This is a PI from the second PO. Hence we have to write the 2.2. First digit will explain the number of PO and second digit will explain the subunit, that is a PI. PO is divided into the various PI, and here we have to write the which particular PI from that PO it will be mapping, and so on. Hence in this column we have to write the 1.2, 2.2, 6.2. For example, by considering this 6.2, 6 is a number of PO, that is a PO number 6. Amongst that 2 is explained. the subunit of the PI, that is the second PI of the PO6. Then next is we have to write the number of PO. From that particular PO we have to take this PA, this column. Example, explain the role of adrenergic bronchodilator in management of asthma by taking the various previous experiences. This question will map with the PO number first, that is a pharmacy knowledge. PO number second, it is a PO number second, PO number 6 and PO number 11. Hence, this question will map with the 4 PO, and here we have to write the number of that particular PO, that is PO number 1, PO 2, PO 6 and PO 11. By this way, we will write the question paper, or we will solve the model question paper format, and by this will help for the mapping process of the various PO, PI and CI. I hope this presentation will help you for the considering the model question paper format. Thank you.